And here you can see this is the Redemption Bridge. We're kind of out in the middle of nowhere on the Polk Adventure Loop. Going that way is the Redemption Bridge. And that wanders all the way on. Eventually runs into Oka Run, the end of it. Then we come over here, and this is what we're calling the entrance to Hornets Ridge, which is really just a section of the Pohoka Adventure Trail. And you can see we've got a new sign up there. And this leads to the toolbox. And if you continue on, we'll go all the way to Artesian Well Road. Now the trail that a lot of people don't know about is Wilderness Trail, which has been here for a while, but been blocked by the large logs. And now that we have